Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language on your Cadillac Escalade. To begin, locate the home screen on your vehicle's infotainment display. You will then tap the Settings application icon, which typically looks like a small gear. This action will open a menu, providing you with various customization options for your vehicle systems. Once you are in the main settings menu, your next step is to find and select the system category. This section contains core vehicle preferences. Carefully scroll through the list of available system preferences until you locate the language option. It is typically labeled clearly, even if the current display language is unfamiliar to you. After selecting the language option, a list of available languages will appear on your screen. You can then simply tap on your preferred language from the displayed choices. Common options include English, French, and Spanish. The infotainment system will update almost immediately to reflect your new language selection, making navigation much easier. Once you have made your selection, take a moment to verify that the entire infotainment system has successfully switched to your chosen language. In some models, the Driver Information Center, located near your gauges, may also update automatically. If not, a similar process can be followed there. Now you can enjoy your Cadillac Escalade's advanced infotainment system in your preferred language.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.